So this is my Boolean function generator, which is based around the 74-150 16:1 multiplexer and the 74-161 4-bit counter. I got this chip right here. That's pretty much the heart of it. The 74-150 multiplexer from a grab bag, which was sold for scrap metal recovery, and it turns out it just works. It just had a lot of dirt. So I guess the guy dug up all these chips, and that's kind of weird, but it works. So you'll see right here, these are the switches. They have resistor networks connected to them. You'll see the first switch is blocked off because of my bad wiring. I meant to put this one place over, but because I have to connect these, as you can see, to positive, which kind of screws it up if I have another switch right here, but I made it work. So these are 16 switches in total, plus one, which is just extra. That lets you select what function you want to be generated. This is the output, this is positive, negative, that is the output, and that is the clock, which goes to here, which is a counter. 16 total operations, I guess 16 possible, whatever, states. And you'll see right here, I use 30 gauge wire wrap wire from right here to do it all. Sadly, I don't know where my fine tip is, so I had to use the big chunky tip. And my other tips, you can see right here, it's all corroded, which is an issue, but we'll go test this one out right now. It's connected to the oscilloscope. Let's put it on right here. You'll see it's generating a function. Let's just turn all of these off. You'll see this is a straight line. If I switch one on, you'll see it's no longer such a straight line. Put another, it grows larger. Let's turn that one off. On. You'll see it generates the function. We can make that a little wider by switching some more switches. So this can be used for a lot of purposes. For example, it can be used to test UARTs, which is an extremely useful feature. And as you can see from right here, the output is really nice. This seems connected to ground, but as you can see, there's barely any noise in the output, which is very nice. And it's very simple, and I pretty much just turned literal trash into a functional Boolean function generator, because this was trash. As in, this was meant to be scrapped for materials, and all these all these resistor networks are pulled out of all components. And I think I got that one part of the grab bag as well. There's just one wire right here, which is just connected there, so I didn't have to wire wrap it from there to there. So that's about it for this video. That's my Boolean function generator based on glue logic chips.